Good afternoon. I hope you're keeping well and staying safe. I'm honored to be part of this graduation ceremony. Congratulations to you, the first graduating cohort of community health workers. Your commitment to successfully complete the COVID-19 response curriculum, despite the demands on your time by your family and your work, is truly commendable. It has been 5 months since the first case of COVID-19 was reported in our country. We have witnessed how quickly the pandemic changed our individual lives, those of our families, and the country at large when the first case was discovered in March this year. Many months later, we, like the rest of the world, still do not have all the answers concerning this new disease. Every day we learn more about it, how it spreads, and how it continues to impact us all, our livelihoods, our education, our jobs. But we do know that there are certain things we can all do to stop the spread of COVID-19 in order to protect our families. We know that the simple act of hand washing has always been the guard against transferring germs. We have unequivocal evidence that wearing masks and social distancing also contribute a huge impact in protecting us from the spread of this pandemic. We have learnt that more effort will be required from all of us to eliminate the risks that make us more vulnerable, especially amongst the elderly and those facing other multiple health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Community education on health matters can save lives, and it is critical at this time. This is where each one of you plays a critical and important role. Through the COVID-19 curriculum and guide developed by the Ministry of Health, you are now empowered and equipped with knowledge, skills, and competence to protect yourselves, your families, and the community. I thank all of you who signed up to participate in this very important training developed by the Ministry of Health and delivered by AMREF and sponsored by Beyond Zero. I applaud your selfless commitment to your work and your courage and compassion for people and for the community. I acknowledge the sacrifice you give of your time towards the demanding role of being community health workers. I would like to thank the Ministry of Health and its partners for their tireless work in mitigating the severity of this disease and the impact it has had in the country. Thank you, AMREF, for the innovative LEAP mHealth platform that has enabled inclusivity and opportunity for community health workers to participate through mobile phone technology. My thanks also goes to the Nairobi Metropolitan Services and all other partners who have also contributed towards this COVID response initiative. I join the government, the people of Kenya, and the rest of the world in recognizing the bravery of all frontline health workers. You have been at the heart of this COVID-19 pandemic. You have been actively involved in contributing towards national efforts in tackling health issues facing communities. Your work keeps us safe, especially during this pandemic. The support to families and communities has become more urgent than ever. Jobs have been lost, household resources have been stretched beyond belief. Food and good nutrition is essential in keeping mothers, the elderly, children, the entire family healthy. We are all affected, and it will require all of us to support each other in any way we can to ease the disruption this pandemic has caused to our lives. We must also be sensitive and reject stigma and isolation towards individuals and families who have been affected by this pandemic. Instead, let us offer compassion and comfort. I look forward to hearing the news of the successful completion of all 5,100 community health workers and the positive impact you will be making in your respective communities. I encourage you all to remain faithful to this special calling as health advocates. On my part, I will continue to support the work that you do as our frontline health advocates. Once again, congratulations to all of you who are graduating today. I pray for God's protection over you and your families. Asanteni sana, and God bless you all.